Alright, in this one we got a customer saying the sink gurgles, and they're trying to figure out why. Now, obviously this sink is done wrong. You can see where the horizontal left after the P-trap there. That pipe needs to stay horizontal at 1/4 inch per foot. You can see it goes up and then back down. Also, the second sink is dumping in the back of a T. We never use T's on their back unless for venting only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall the old one, which will take a minute. Can that my phone is actually sitting on right now. So they wanted that garbage can to slide under. Now there's still a way to do it properly and have that garbage can slide under, which is what I'm going to do for them. Wondering why you're seeing blue all over my arms in this video? Check out the last video we did, where we explain why you don't put blue pucks in the back of toilets. And that'll give you a good idea of why there's blue all over me. This thing, when installing kitchen sink drains, is just to make sure that you follow the direction of flow on the fittings. You'll see every fitting has a direction of flow. So this TY that I put on, if you look at it, there's actually a 90-degree section on the T, and you want that pointing down. So there's not much else to say here. This is just more of a visual tutorial. But you can see I put a dishwasher Y on there, and that's going to help with that last horizontal measurement on the horizontal section of the sink drain. Places have it as code now to put a clean out after the P-trap of the kitchen sink drain. And if you've ever augured a sink drain before, that clean out is just going to save hours of time. Well, maybe not hours, but it's going to save you a lot of time. And not to mention a lot of mess. Now I like to tip the cleanouts up.
That's about it for this video here. Like I said, most of it's pretty self-explanatory. It's more of a visual of how to hook up a kitchen sink drain properly. Thanks for watching, always appreciated. Leave us a message in the comments section. Thanks.